Hello, my name's Jeremy Barnett and welcome to my course Drums for Beginners. If you're looking for a complete and well-rounded start on the drums, this is the course for you. What is unique about this course is that you get over 5 hours of instruction delivered in the form of actual full-length drum lessons. So it's about as close as you can get to being in the room and working with a real drum teacher. The videos are designed so that you can fully participate in the lesson, learning and playing along with me in real time. We cover all the fundamentals of stick technique, coordination, beats and fills around the kit, and learning to read music. I've also created a special series of play-along songs so that we can work on playing in time with music and really experiencing what drumming is all about. This course is for anyone who wants a complete start on the drums. Maybe you've always wanted to learn the drums, maybe you have access to a kit and feel you'd like to understand the basics. Whatever you're looking for, you'll find it right here. The lessons are delivered in a manner that is suitable for children aged from about 7 and up, and so things are explained very simply and clearly, and the lessons do move at a pace that is appropriate for that age. This course is also extremely useful for those who might want to try out learning the drums before committing to an actual teacher. In fact, the overall cost is less than about half of the equivalent number of in-person lessons, and here you get the added bonus of being able to access the lessons whenever you want and watch them as many times as you want. You get over 5 hours of instruction divided into 11 separate lessons. Every lesson comes with a PDF download of all the exercises and songs covered in each video, and there is also access to audio files for the 9 play-along songs. This course is specifically designed to prepare you to start grade 1 on the drums, whether that's Trinity or Rock School or any other exam board. Crucially though, that's just a marker of the skills and knowledge that you'll learn through this course. It's very common here in England for students to do grades, but the fundamental skills that you'll learn will give you a really solid foundation whether you do grades or not. These fundamental skills include good technique, how to read a variety of rhythms, and how to play a selection of different drum beats using both hands and feet. On top of this, you will get to develop the most important skill every drummer needs, playing in time with music. Vitally, we'll also work on systems to help yourself improve. This starts with learning to read music, but also includes things like how to practice, how to use exercise to improve set skills, and also how to teach yourself increasingly difficult techniques and songs.